guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tonight I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a birthday pen. Yes, a DIY birthday pen. Here's some pictures of some of the birthday pens I've made in the past. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make birthday pens. Hell, if you ever want a birthday pen or your kid wants one, hey, never pay for it again. After watching this video, you're gonna know how to make a birthday pen. It's so simple, it's so easy, and I mean, it's fun to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do a voiceover because like it'll be super slow and awkward if I just sit here and try to talk to the camera or to the phone while I'm making these. But before I do that, I'm just gonna show y'all everything that y'all gonna need. So number one, of course, you're gonna need a hot glue gun. You can get this anywhere, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $6, $7, something like that. I don't know. You'll need the glue gun. You're gonna need glue stick, of course. I got this from Walmart. And then your ribbon that you're gonna be using. This girl wanted green, royal blue, and something else. And then I just got these. Y'all gonna see what I do with these later. If I decide to use these, I don't know. Got some, like, what have you decide to decorate your pen. And then I've already like folded some of my ribbon, which is self-explanatory. You just cut it and fold it in half and glue it. And you're gonna need some scissors. And make sure you got some good scissors that will cut and don't like snag the ribbon and pull strings out. You're gonna need a lighter and a paper plate. And y'all gonna see why. Just follow me, okay? Just follow me. Okay, guys, so what you see me doing here is just outlining the ribbon to make a circle cutout in the paper plate. What this is the base of the pen. Is going to hold everything together. It's going to keep the whole pen together. And the reason I use the ribbon container because it's not too small and it's not too big, but it's just right. Everything will be glued onto the paper plate cutout. Once you've glued your first ribbon down, it should look similar to this. What you see me doing now is just gluing my second set of ribbon down. And make sure y'all be careful with this glue because it gets really, really hot. And I burned myself like 8 times, no lie. What I'm doing now is just measuring my third set, which is the green, and I'm just cutting it so that I can fold it together and glue it at the end. This is what I was showing y'all at the beginning when I said I already had cut out the black and glued it to each end. These are just the glitter ribbon that I've already done, and you're just gonna put a dot of glue at the bottom, fold it in half, and there you go. The steps are very repetitive. You're just going to keep doing it over and over. I'm gluing down the green. Then you'll see me pick up the glitter ribbon. And I had to trim it a little bit because some of the pieces were a little too long. But then you're going to glue that down as well. This is how it should look so far. And I don't know if you guys could see it, but like the green is glued onto the black and not the blue. And that is blue, y'all. I promise it's blue. It looks purple on camera, but it's blue. So it looks something like that. Just kind of play around with it. It's going to look crazy at first, but I promise everything's going to come together. Just kind of position the ribbons the way you want it on there. Like I said, it's pretty much repetitive. You're just gonna repeat the steps and just keep layering the top part of the pen until you get it to your liking. So I'm just gonna be quiet and let y'all watch for a minute. You're not gonna want your pen to be flat, so cut out more pieces and just layer them on top of the other layers that you did. I'm done layering all of my ribbon, so now I'm just going in and cutting out the numbers that I made that's gonna go in the center of the pen. You can use like stickers or whatever, but the stickers that I purchased were a little too small, so I had to draw out the numbers and cut them out. And it looks the same, honestly. Also, I made a crown that goes on top of the 16 because she wanted a crown, so you'll see me do that as well. But like I said, just kind of play around with it. Any designs you want to do, do it. Like I said, it'll look crazy at first, but in the end, everything is going to come together. I swear. I've been doing this long enough to know. So just keep going, even if it's ugly. Keep going. It's going to look good, I promise. I didn't show this part on camera, me cutting out the part that's going to hang, but you just cut them out and measure them. Once you got the ribbon glued to the back of the pen, it should look similar to this. You're just going to take the scissors and cut the ends of them. I'm just taking my lighter and I'm just burning all of the messy glue residue, and then I'm also going to be burning the ends of the ribbon to seal them so you won't have any strangly strings. Make sure you're careful when you're doing this step, because if not, you'll burn up the ribbon and it'll ruin the whole pen. You just want to take the lighter and just like gently burn across it, like real quickly. And what that's doing is just sealing the ends to make sure that the pen doesn't come unloose. You know how you have ribbon and then like you have the strings at the bottom and it can unravel the whole thing. So y'all want to get like a piece of felt material. What I'm using is just an old blanket I cut out. But you want to get that and you want to cut it out like in a circular pattern to fit the back of the pen. It's very important because this is where you're going to stick your safety pin, and this is how the whole pen is going to just like stay together and keep the pen stuck on there. Make sure you put a lot of glue because if not, it'll come off. So that's why you see me just like going back around the sides and making sure I glue it down correctly. And then once you get it glued down, just take your scissors and kind of trim around the ragged edges so that it won't show in the front of the pen. I went ahead and designed the front of my pen. I ain't show it on camera, but everything is in place. The numbers, the crown, and the name. And I recommend you go ahead and doing that before you put the felt on the back. It's just easier that way. Go ahead and glue your safety pin on after you position it. Once you've done that, take a piece of ribbon and just glue that on as well. It just secures the pin to make sure it stays in place. And voila, it is done. A birthday pin that you made yourself. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.